Welcome. Today in front of me Sony Xperia 10.3 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first just go to the notification bar and right here you can see the Wi-Fi icon. To turn on the Wi-Fi just tap once on icon, and if you wanna turn it off just tap again on your icon. The second way, they just go to the settings app and here you'll see the network and internet. Now just tap here on the Wi-Fi switcher to turn on your Wi-Fi and go to this section, and now here you can see all the available networks and you can select one from these networks. For example, I'll go with this one, and now just type here your password to this network. If you'll just tap here to the checkbox, you can see the password. Now just tap here to connect, and as you'll see our device successfully connected to this network. If you want, you can switch the network, for example, just by this way. You can disconnect or you can just forget this network and just select one from these networks. If you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi, tap here on the switcher by this way, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.